I'm good. I'm good.
Good.
Cut it off.
It is.
There you go.
Come on, guys.
Watch yourself, Mike.
Oh, wait.
Holy shit.
Wee! I got it.
Thank God.
Is your leg all right?
I'm good. Really, I am really good.
Are you?
Man, it's fucking the camera.
Woo. I don't think this one was rolling.
No, but it's loose. Yeah.
Everything else looks good.
Hold on.
Hey, this stays between us until the video comes out. Until the video comes out.
Up, baby.
Smoking like a bitch though. Smoking a little bit.
Oh, it's smoking bad now. Just see what's upside down.
Yep.
You're right. Shut it off. Pull up and shut it off. Let that oil see.
Yeah, let that
Wow.
I rolled it. First time.
Oh, man.
You're alive.
Dude, you know how hard it was to hold that fucker up with my leg?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, literally not even as far as Jerry. Jerry was down the road.
Yeah, he was at least a little bit farther. Yeah.
Oh, I've seen that.
I mean, it looks fine.
Yeah, it smells like
As you
oil.
see, I just didn't even look around because I fucking know it's already.
It's gonna be fine if you let it drain back down. That's why I started smoking, because it was upside down. All that oil, all that hot oil, it rushed all the way up to the valve.
Yeah.
That's why I told him to shut it off, pull it over, shut it off.
Yeah,
Let it
makes
set for a minute.
Yeah.
That didn't last long. It was a very slow call. That was like great.
I don't even know what the hell happened.
You didn't even heard it happen. I see what happened.
Oh, yeah,
I see exactly what happened.
It was that damn
Your
ass
tire
rock.
was so low. You had one tire high, one tire low when you went on.
But I was flat here.
You weren't
You
flat
came
coming.
off.
No, you weren't flat
You know
coming
there's a
up
ditch
here.
right
You
here.
started rolling.
There isn't.
Yeah, you were over here fucking going over before you even got halfway through this road.
We can't even go on a fucking ride.
Accidents happen closer to home.
Yeah.
Well, I see one thing.
Did you get it?
That's not the first time I saw it, but that was cool.
But it was right.
First time in this
Glad he had it on video.
Pop this one.
Yeah.
There it is.
I'm so glad you got it.
He's got it on his and I got it on mine.
Well, that's gonna be posted
That's it.
real soon.
Did you get it?
Did you get it?
Hey, did you get that?
We barely did. But we
Uh,
I can't wait to see your point of view of like coming over.
Dude, I'm literally looking at the quad, dude.
I'm so glad you're rolling. You're still rolling? Hell yeah.
You still rolling?
oh yeah.
Hey, Roy, you got a lighter in your pocket after that roll?
I'm like, this stays between us, right?
Until the internet sees it.
Tell fucking Michael fucking blast that shit all over the world.
Yeah. They got it,
I
man.
think I bent the handlebars.
That's what gets us views, but people get hurt.
Well, I know it's a busy right now. It's probably not a good time. We probably should fucking abandon it.
Yeah, you want to go back?
Yeah, we probably can, yeah.
I think tomorrow is a better.
Yeah. We'll just say it was a tie.
No, we'll just say we had minor malfunctions.
Yeah, we had some minor malfunctions. Just little ones.
Right, well, stop.
Yeah, it's just gonna burn it off.
It's getting lighter.
All your oil fucking flipped up, so you're gonna be probably low on oil, dude.
Hey, we raced and I rolled it.
Damn, what a cool thing.
It's already clear.
I thought that was
Damn, these things are fast.
the smallest car.
Son of a bitch.
Are they max?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're gonna say I think I blew the motor.
Yeah. Good that way. Roy, watch carefully.
This is how you do it.
Hang on. hard as fuck. Great race.
Sorry, man.
You're all good. I was being an ass.
Hey, you go to Kyle Busch.
Yeah, see? Flipped for Kyle. GoPro, stop recording.
GoPro. What the hell happened?
GoPro, stop recording.
I put the first cuffs on
Is
her.
my red light still blinking?
Yes.
GoPro, stop recording.
There it goes.
GoPro, stop recording.